People, this is Dr. Bijan. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am making videos on lifestyle and forex trading. And today I'm going to talk about the opening a new demo account in forex market. Okay, as I said before, if you are new to this business, to this forex trading, you need to have access to a trading account, which is basically provided by the brokers. Okay, but first of all, what you need to do, you need to download the MT4 or MT5, whatever it suits you. I recommend to use MT4. I've been trading with MT4 for quite a while, and I'm quite it's quite easy to use. Okay, I'm not sure about the MT4, MT5. I haven't used it that much, and I mean, I'm quite happy to use MT4. Okay, anyhow, as I said, what you need to do, you need to download MT4. I will go through my laptop and I'll show you how you can download. But before getting to this business, few points I want to highlight. First of all, as I said, please see my other videos about being successful in this market, about how you can be a successful trader, and for the people not to lose money. Okay, as I said, it is very important. This is first point number one. Educate yourself enough. Point number two, give yourself enough time. Don't rush. Don't fall to a scammer's trap. Okay, whenever you open internet, there are a lot of people that they're just trying to sell you something. Okay, don't fall to their trap. It is just trap. They're just trying to scam your money. Okay, they are just scammers. There is no quick getting rich. There is nothing like that. Okay, there is nothing like that. All right. If you see people that successful, they have spent enough time, they educate themselves, they learn a lot, they have a lot of up and downs, and then they get to the constant kind of like way. All right, to get there, give yourself enough time. Don't rush. Rushing things, this is just the mishap. Okay, so you're trying to be rich really quick and you lose all your money, even your hard working money. Okay, don't lose that. Don't fall to the trap. Just as I said, give yourself enough time. I would say give yourself 2 years, study enough, educate yourself, open a demo account. Basically, demo account is just a fake money. Okay, you're not putting any money in it. Okay, open account, play with it, learn the language of trading, learn the basics of trading, get professionals to teach you. Okay, I'm happy to teach you. Come to me, I will show you how you can be successful. I teach you the strategies, the newest strategies that basically help you to earn your money. Get mastery on your strategy, learn it, make a trading plan for yourself, and then get to the trade. So this is the second point. The point number three. Number three, first open a demo account, learn it for 6 months, give yourself 3% profit each month, 3% for at least 6 months. Once you get there, then move yourself up to, I would say, 1 year, not 6 months, 1 year. Then move yourself up to second level, which is opening a demo, a live account, but a small live account, maybe $1,000, $2,000, not more. Trade it again 3%. Learn to be patient. This is the key, being patient. This is the point number three, being patient. Look, as I said, once you try to rush things, bang, this is the point to lose your money. And as I said, losing money is not good at all. Okay, so remember point three, being patient. So education, number one. Number two, profitable money management. Number three, patience. Those three that you need to be successful in trading. Okay, so I'm going to teach you about demo account, how you can download it on your laptop, and then once you get into that one, I teach you when basically what broker you can use to provide you with the demo account. As I said, stick with me. I'll go through you through all the process, and then I'll show you how you can basically install the MT4 on your laptop and open a demo account. Okay, if you enjoy, remember, if you enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, recommend my channel, share my channel to your friends, and also there is a bell, hit the bell, so if I produce any new movies, new videos, you're getting notified. Okay, all right, just stay with me. I'll just switch to my laptop and I'll show you what how we can do the process. Okay, so as I said, I'm just planning to download MP4. So basically, what you need to do, you need to Google the account. Okay, so here the account, download with MP4. Okay, and then you click something like this. This one, the MP5, and then there's going to be MP4. Click on that one, so you can see then basically what you need to do is just need to click on it and set it up. Okay, now what happens? So something like this will come. I have downloaded before. Something like this will come. Then what you can do, I go to File, then open an account. Okay. As I said, you can look, for example, look for Google Market, something like that, and then this will come. Okay. Or for example, you can look for Admiral Market. They are basically the brokers that I know, something like this in the market. Then next, open a demo account. This is the main thing. As I said, before you continue start your trading journey, you need to know what is happening. So basically, you need to practice. It is like to be a professional. You first need to learn the basics. Okay. So this demo account is allowed practice this software and practicing the trading in kind of like a digital environment without using your real money. So it gives you the money, so it gives you the opportunity to learn, but without losing any money. This is the good thing about this demo account. So first, open a demo account. Don't worry about opening a live. As I said, if you just going back to my previous videos, I have explained to you how you can be a successful trader. First, open a demo account, practice, learn your strategy, know everything, practice your strategy for a few months, be profitable, and then after that, once you're profitable, then you can move on to a small live account. Open a live account, another 6 months, another year, practice with it, practice your strategy in a real world, and then earn your money. As I said, stick to 3% profit each month, and then if you can do that for a year, then move on to a bigger real account. Okay, this is my advice to you. As I said, don't be tempted. This market is tempting everyone to put your money there. It sucks your money quite easily. You can lose your money like in second. Okay. So as I said, don't rush. Give yourself enough chance. Educate yourself. Know everything about the market. Know about the strategy. Create your own strategy. Stick to your plan. Have a really sophisticated plan in place. Stick to it, and then, as I said, open a small demo account. Open a small live account, and then go with the bigger one. Okay, this is my advice to you. All right, let's just move on. Next, this is the information on the market. Agree, and there you go. We are opening this. Okay, now what happens is some brokers, they prefer you to enter your detail. But as I said, if you go with Blueberry Market, as I am right now, okay, I can. So as you can see with Blue Market, they provide you without any demo account, and there you go, all the information, 1,000 agree, and pretty much simple, easy. You can get into the market. There you go. So
Incoming mail.
trading
business. Okay, so you can see here $10,000 equity. This is all you have. You're ready. You're good to go. Okay, and as I said, up above here you can see the demo account. It is demo, so there wouldn't be any problem. Okay, right. Let's see what else I can tell you.